All right, so I want to give you a quick overview of this air duster. That looks like this is from a company called WeGuard, and the settings that you're going to find on this. Then I'm going to show you the accessories, and then I'm going to do a little product demonstration. So here's the actual blower itself. It's about the size of a hand, a little smaller than that. The top is about 3 inches, 2.5 inches wide, so it's fairly short and nice and compact. This does have an 8,000 milliamp hour battery, which is going to be quite significant. That's several times this battery of a cell phone. And the buttons on here are fairly simple. You've got, your USB-C to charge it. You also have the on-off button right here. So this is how you would turn it on. That'd be low, medium, high. All right. So you have the intake here and then the exhaust here. So I want to show you also the accessories that you're going to get with this kit as well. Okay, so this is everything you are going to get in the kit for the duster. All right, so you have the machine itself, which is right here with the 8,000 milliamp hour battery. So you have that. You're going to get a USB-C charging cord, and then you're going to get 4 adapters that fit into the tip, and they're just twist locks. So if you're going to put this one on, you would just find the groove that it fits in, give it a good twist, and now it is installed. Easy to swap out. Just rotate it, stick it in there, rotate, and you're good to go. Okay, so you're going to get 4 nozzles. Those are the profiles of the nozzles right there. All right, and then this one is your more fine nozzle. This also comes with a storage bag, and then it comes with this little brush if you want to brush out some things. So complete kit, everything's included that you would need. Okay, so I want to do a little demonstration, and it's kind of hard to see volume of air, in a video. So what I've done is I filled up my kitchen sink here, and this is the best way I can kind of show you that I have handy for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with no nozzle, and we're just going to put it on low. So this is low, right? So that would be the power on low. Of course, if you had a nozzle on it, you would have a more pressure here. Okay, so this one's going to be medium. You just click the button. Okay, so there's a medium. You can tell the difference. Okay, and then we're going to go on high. We'll see the high. Right, and we'll turn it off. So on low, same height above the sink, very little water movement. On medium, same height. We have a significant more, and then on high, you're going to get a lot. Actually, water is coming out of the sink on high. So there you go. So I hope that helps you. You can actually add the nozzles here, and you can probably get a more aggressive, dryer out of this. But overall, this seems very powerful for what you get.